Is how to fix it. Apple ID sign out not available on your iPhone due to restrictions. And to fix this issue, go to settings, tap on screen time, scroll down and go to content and privacy restrictions. First, enable this feature, turn the toggle button on. Thereafter, go to scroll down and go to account change and tap on allow button under account change option. Now check if sign out option is available or not. If not, again go to screen time option and here go to share across devices, disable this feature and again go to content and privacy restrictions options which you have earlier allowed, set allowed. Again go to content and privacy restrictions, enable this feature and go to account changes and first choose don't allow and again choose allow and check whether sign out option of Apple ID is available or not. If not, go to completely disable screen time restrictions, content and privacy restrictions, disable this feature and your sign out option of Apple ID will available.